Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to reduce the blue light that's emitted from the new LG Smart TV. Start off by pressing the settings button, then scroll down until you get to all settings. Next, whilst on picture, go across and down to advanced settings. On this menu, we continue going down to reduce blue light. Now as I press this, you'll notice a change on the screen. It takes away some of that blue light, which may be a benefit to you when you're watching the TV at night. If you wish to cancel that, just press it again, and it's back to normal. Turn it on, and if you wish to keep it, you can press the home button, or you can use the cursor keys just to back out. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, really appreciate a quick thumbs up as it helps out the channel so much. Thanks for choosing my video.